my name is Nagaraj Shet from Kumta. I am this time issue. This country, Indian country, this country is so Hindu religion, more people living. This country is 100 crores Hindu living, religion people living, and this country, and total is so 141 crore people living. This country is popular places including my this country, Indian country people is so secular people. This democracy country, this all over world big democracy in India is so that side, that country, that's communist country China, and people population second ranking. This country, Indian country people is Hindu religion people is so 100 crore people living this country, and 28 state this including my is this country is so most popular places Hindu religion popular temple. In one temple this Ayodhya UP, and Kashi is so Shiva temple, and so Uttar Canada is Murdeshwara and Mahabaleshwara Gokarna is more popular places including this country, and so Kerala state and Sabrimala and Guruvayur, and so more Hindu religion that Andhra Pradesh, Tirupati, and that side is so Hindu religion popular Hindu religion popular places is one places, and Dharmasthala Dakshin Kannada district, and that side is so Mahabaleshwara temple Gokarna, and Sirsi in so Sirsi in so Marikamba temple, and Mysore Chamundeshwari temple is most popular temple in one temple this Karnataka state, and so that side is so Tirupati Andhra Pradesh, and UP is popular places in one place Ayodhya, and Kashi is so more Hindu religion temple in the including this country Indian popular country India is so 28 state including this country. So in more language asking and talking this country, this more language in Kannada language, Hindi language, Tamil language, Malayali language, and Telugu language is more Marathi language. So more language in asking and talking speaking, this more language in including this more religion people including, and more society people living this country. So beautiful country, and see for tourism, more tourism place, and into popular temple in one temple in Kashi is so UP Taj Mahal, and that side Bijapura Karnataka is so Gol Gumbach is so every religion in religion temple including this country, this more church including, and Goa is so more church including this country. This country is popular places is more places. See watching is tourism places, every out of country tourists, out of country people this watching this Indian tourist place, popular places including my this country is so beautiful weather, cool weather, hot weather including, and better including, and more medicine plant, medicine tree including this country is so more people living, and animal, domestic animal and wild animal living to this country is so beautiful weather, beautiful places watching every people out of country people this country in this country tourism places, better tourism places, and every state 28 state including my this country, the Indian country. So gate of capital of Delhi, gate of India, and Jantar Mantar, and Ramlila stadium, Ramlila Maidan. This one is more places including this country is so most beautiful, and Kolkata Howrah Bridge, and Bombay gate of this Taj Mahal Taj Hotel, and so more places watching places, beautiful places including my this country is so most popular places is more popular place including, and more religion people and more society people living is a beautiful culture, art and culture is so this including. See every country, every out of country people, this world people see watching this beautiful places. My Indian country is so beautiful cultures, and beautiful cultures people living this country see watching every out of country people.